A lot of people say, look, what's the point of folding a button-down shirt? Let's use this one.
Right.
If you travel, folding them the right way will stop them getting creased, and if you don't have a lot of hanging space, it helps enormously. So, throw the shirt down face down.
Okay.
You'll have seen a variation on this in stores where people use a piece of...
The Gap.
Thank you.
Fall into the Gap. You remember they all used to have that thing that looked like a clipboard and they were constantly folding shirts.
That's exactly it.
That's it, right?
Exactly. I've seen people use old cutting boards as well. Simply throw the magazine here in the back and straightforward, you fold it to the magazine here. This is pretty straightforward. Fold it again to the magazine here. So you now have a very rectangular shape. One little fold up to the magazine, flip it over and
pull the magazine out to read on the plane.
Yeah. Super simple.
Ta-da!
And again, when you travel, I sometimes do a second fold like this, so they take up less space in your closet.
You can really get them all in there.
Super simple.
Great.